Good morning, guys. All right, so I want to be preparing my sample. So without not wasting much time, um, these are the volumetric flask I have, and I have already gotten my standards. So first of all, I'll be using these pipettes. I'll be using these pipettes to work with. And see how the sample will work out. So this is sample preparation. So I'll be starting with the glycerol. Here's a sample I prepared, and this is glycerol carbonate. It's glycerol carbonate. So I will be taking out 5 ml of it. I press down. I'll put it into this bottle. Alright, so I've taken 5 ml of this to prepare the sample. I'll keep it back. Now I'll have to take isopropanol to dilute it. So this is my isopropanol. Now I'll be diluting it to the 10 ml level. You can join me for learning, those who are interested in doing science. It is more than I'm trying to dilute. Alright, so I just diluted it to the meniscus line, and then I will shake. I'll shake it very well. I will name it GC. Agave, GC agave. I will change the valve for picking. So this thing I set it at 5 ml because I am going with 5 ml. So I'm working with the 5 ml. I close again. Oh, sorry, this is not GC agave. This is GC. This is GC Na sodium aluminium. GC NaL sodium aluminate. Now I want to go for GC agave. The same process I would do. And I will release. And this is 5 ml. So I will have to pour it into this can. Now next, I will dilute it with isopropanol. I'll shake it. I have diluted it with isopropanol. So this is GC agave. GC agave. Now I'll be working with my GC banana. So this is my glycerol carbonate that I prepared using banana as the catalyst. So what am I trying to do? I want to calculate the glycerol conversion to glycerol carbonate, and I want to calculate my yield and my selectivity. I will dip in and I will extract. I will leave it. I will dip in. Why is it not coming up? Is it too small? I can't pick. I'm having issues taking this. Okay. There is a problem with this valve, I think. Okay. All right. So I'll have to empty this into this container too. I'll take it back. Now I'll have to dilute it with isopropanol. I am diluting with isopropanol. Okay. So I have diluted it. Remember, there's a meniscus line. So we work with the meniscus line. So I will close it and swell it so for a proper mixture. All right, so I've gotten my 3 samples. Remember, I am working with the GC machine. So for the GC machine, I'll have to transfer. I have to transfer some of them into these bottles. I'm going to just pick a little of it, and I'm going to use them in this bottle. So one will be called blank. One will be called blank, as it is isopropanol to wash the syringe before each of these. I want to find out the yield of glycerol carbonate and the agave that was not used, the moles remaining in this my substance. Amara m onye nwe. Amara. And for me to do that, I'll be using the syringe. Amara m onye nwe. He's a God who never forgets his own. Amara m onye nwe. This GC banana. So thanks for joining me. This is my live section of my practical going on. Thank you for joining. Please like, invite other science students to come over. So I'm starting with GC sodium. I'll take some little part of it. I want to wash the syringe. I want to wash the syringe. Hello there. I'm in the lab. I'm at the lab. Oh, I'm at the lab. I'm at the lab. Don't worry, when I'm done. I'll go aka nneche n'oke bịa. So ọ gara confess. M nwụchara bịazie lab very late. Ọ ga m na-abara m mba. Mba, this morning. All right, baby. I will not. All right, guys. So I am trying to filter so that I won't have a lot of dirt. So, but I am. So I am trying to explain what I'm doing. So I have taken my sample from this, and I will label it. I'll have to close it. No live. So na kujicha neme so neme ya live broadcast. So I took from GCNAL. I will name this GCNAL. GCNAL2. All right. So this is my GCNAL2. I'll keep it down. Kedu otu ọnụ siri gaa today? Don't worry, I got you here. It's gradually. All right, so this is my GC banana, and I'll pour in my GC banana here. I'll use it to wash the syringe. All right, no problem, baby girl. Mwah. So I'll use it to wash my syringe. So I'm doing this so that I can wash out the particles from this other sample so it will not get contaminated. So now I'll pour in my banana. And then I'll put it in this bottle. So I'll also label the sample. I'll label the sample GC banana. So I've gotten my sample GC banana. What next? What next? What next? Okay. So guys, what I'm doing is I have prepared my stock samples and I have diluted it and I'm putting them into this bottle so I can now transfer them to the gas chromatography machine for separation to calculate the peak areas and know what and what and what, how my reaction happened. Because this is a glycerocarbonate I made, and I made this using agave as the catalyst at a mill temperature. So I have washed the syringe. I'm filling it up. So I'm going to label it also GC agave. Remember, anytime you're doing it, it's essential you label for clarification. So I have labeled my sample too. Now, the last bottle is for my blank. This is for my blank. And I am using isopropanol as my blank. So I'm also going to name it blank. So guys, I've prepared 4 of my samples. Now, the next step is to go to the GC machine. So I will take you guys to the GC machine. So this is where I will be running the sample in the GC machine. But I need to fill up these three bottles too. I need to fill them with isopropanol too, because they will be used to wash the machine. This is my isopropanol. So I'll pour in some here, which I will use in doing the washing. So I'll first of all wash. Remember, the GC machine does not like any form of contamination. When there is a contamination, there is highly tendency to spoil all the works that you are doing. So I will wash by swirling. And then I pour it off. And I fill it. The same thing happens to the second one. I wash it. The solvent level minimum. So I'll wash it and I'll fill it up. The third one. I'll wash it also. And I'll fill it up. So let me tell the technician that I am done. So I am talking to the operator to come and help me on the machine. Okay. All right. So I think I am done. So this is my blank. Gosh, man. I'm seriously pressed here. I want to make use of the restroom. So I'm taking my wash. I'm taking my wash to the machine, and I will put them in position 1, position 2, and position 3. So I'm coming, guys. Sorry, let's make use of the restroom. This is my blank. So I will place my blank at position 1. This agave, no. This is GC banana, no. This is GC sodium aluminate. I'll place it in port 2. Now this is GC banana. I'll place it in port 3. This is GC agave. I'll place it in port 4. So I think every other thing is ready. I need to plug in my machine. Then I will go to open the gases. I went to open the gas. I would also open the gases here. I'll have to on this to on the system. So I'm turning on the system. Open this, open this, and open this. So I've opened the three gases: hydrogen, nitrogen, and okay. Sí, para tres. Mejor no hidrógeno, sí. Este paso. So I'll type in my 300. Okay, no. Username, shift, admin. Turnover. H okay, this also 2, 3, 4 H A N O V E R. Por favor, no. O para apagar, restart. Ok. Ese para apagar aquí, ¿sí?
Ajá, sí.
Okay. Poner, lavar 3.
Sí.
Ok. Then es blanco. Es mi sample 1. Es mi sample 2. Es mi sample 3.
Remember.
Blank. ¿Sí?
Standard.
Ok, standard.
Samples.
Ok, blank, standard, samples.
Standard,
Ok.
De los de la otra vez.
Ok.
100 partes por 100 ppm.
But standard 1.
Bueno.
Okay, just one standard. Okay. So guys, I made a mistake. I need to prepare my standard. All right, I need to prepare a standard. I did not prepare my standard. So, I'll have to take 5 mm from here.
Ah, no. Los frasquitos ya tenías, ¿no?
No,
¿No? ¿Los tiraste los otros?
a mi
Ajá,
muestra,
los del jueves.
los de jueves,
Ajá. ¿Los tiraste?
de jueves para trabajo de SSC preparando el estándar.
No, pero los, o sea, ya los tenías. ¿Los tiraste?
Estoy probando.
Ajá.
Ahora.
¿Estándar?
Okay. Estándar para preparando como jueves, ¿sí?
Ajá, no, pero digo, ya lo tienes, ¿no? Los del jueves.
Ok, los de como ese estándar, no para lavar todos. Lavaste de para preparar lavaste. No toca mucho tiempo. Ahora, so guys, I just need to wash. This. I need to. I need to wash this. I need to. Okay. Now I'll put it here. So this is my standard. I have to dilute it. Isopropanol. Then you need to have this. The dilution to work well. This is my standard. Well prepared. So you need to get the phone. Wash. I'm washing. Hey, Sachi.
Hola. Ay,
So this is my standard. So I've named it standard. So I'll take my standard to the machine. Mark. So I'm going to put my standard in the machine. All right, guys. So I think I have prepared the samples for this. Alan, buenos dias. ¿Cómo estás? Yeah. Fine, 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 fine. I'm still working with my.
What do you do?
I'm testing my samples. As glycerol carbonate. The catalyst is agave. So I want to see como yield. So this is also glycerol carbonate. As catalyst is plantanos. Bananas. So I'm trying to see their yield using the GC machine. Yep. Yes. ¿Se ha trabajado de SSI?
Sí,
Oh,
ya funciona en automatic.
Automatic. Entonces, it's just to set it up and put it, and then it will work.
All right.
Yeah. Good. Yeah. Alright, so guys, I'm done preparing my samples. If you want to watch the process, you can go from the beginning of the live section. You can play it and you will see how I was able to make my sample. This is glycerol carbonate using agave as a catalyst. This is glycerol carbonate using sodium aluminate. So I use isopropanol as my solvent and I diluted it to 5 ml. The same thing also happens to this using banana, and I diluted it to 5 ml. And finally, this glycerol carbonate using this. Okay, this is my standard. I did. Oh, I'll see you guys later. Bye.